Yo, what's up guys? So this is the first episode of Blow by Racing, and I just want to show you guys a couple of the projects that we got going on right now. And the whole point about this is to kind of keep everybody up to date on some of the things that are going down here at the shop. So one of the first things that I want to show you guys is we got a Lightning here. I'm not going to pull the cover off right now. It's waiting on parts. We got Scott's Crown Vic right there. This is going to be a project. We're not sure what we're putting in it yet. Right here. S550 was an EcoBoost. And let's see, had some like reflective wrap on it. No lower bumper, but it's going to be pretty dope. There's a new edge here. Waiting for parts right here. This thing's getting cams right here. R cams. This is Eleanor. This is Jill's car, Chris's wife. It's Scott's GLI. And this is Donovan's Nitrous 5.0. It's got welds, the whole 9 yards. And this is the front side of the shop. So we got my turd. It's a 2017 Challenger RT, long tube headers, weld bead locks in the back, wicker bill, quad tips, the whole 9 yards. So this is my car, and I'm waiting on a Whipple, so it won't be slow for long. This is a 2013 Ford Mustang, twin turbo, makes over 1,000 horsepower. At some point I'll pop the hood to show you guys. And that's Chris's truck right here. All right, so I did want to show you guys more of this car. It's actually one of my favorite cars that's been here since I've been here. Reason being, it looks exactly like my 14 that I had, that I regret getting rid of every day of my life. So we're gonna open this bad boy up real quick. I'll pop the hood and show you guys what it looks like. So basic 5.0 interior, nothing special, but some pretty cool goodies back here. He's got the rear seat delete, brace, all that good stuff. We're actually going to be doing a 6R stager. MSD 2-step is going in. So let's pop the hood real quick and show you guys what's going on there. See if I could do this with one hand. Probably not. There we go. All right, so we got twins, Boss 302 manifold. Everything is done up on this car. It's fantastic. Made over 1,000 horsepower. So anyway, just want to show you guys kind of the in-depth run through of this bad boy. It's got the Mickey Thompson, the ET Street R's there, well bead locks. It's mom's truck, Adrenaline, M90 Roush blower. Fox body project. We're not sure what that's getting yet. I think it's going to be getting either a Coyote, maybe a GT350, small block Ford. We're not sure yet, but it's going to be pretty dope depending on which direction we go. This is getting a built motor. This is a Roadrunner. I'll show that to you guys. Twin turbo charger and a turbo Fox body here. This car is also getting a single turbo kit, ours, and then that's Chris's car. Shelby, we'll get into that at some point. Here we got the Roadrunner. So I'll actually show you guys what this thing looks like. It's actually in a plastic cover right now, but underneath it's absolutely awesome. So this is kind of like the front part of it. It's a boat, but I really like it. It's a Mopar. So anyway, this thing is supposed to be getting either a Hellcat engine, or we might just end up refreshing the 440 that's in it. We'll see where that goes. It's going to be getting suspension. It's going to be getting Willwood brakes, the whole 9 yards. So anyway, that's that. And then Johnny's Charger is a Helion. It's a twin turbo kit. Waiting on heads from Frankenstein, but that thing is going to be making some insane horsepower. So that's the Charger. Boss 302. It's getting a battery relocation kit. Twins. working on a Bronco Coyote swap right here. And you got Scott working on working on the former V6. Former V6. Now it's got Coyote swap, Gen 3 Whipple, fuel system, the whole nine. What you got going on there, boss man?
I mean, all the pump stuff for the candle.
The pump?
Pump.
Pump it!
Pump.
Anyway, that's it for now. Just to give you a quick tour of some of the builds that we're working on. My goal is to spend a little bit more time doing some video, delving into the builds, showing you guys what's going on here. In the meantime, if you guys need anything at all, parts, install, or tuning, it's 561-417-5555, or go to blowbyracing.com. We're at 199 Northwest 28th Street in Boca Raton. Thanks for watching.